Hi there, I'm Epicure Executive Director Dana Kale from Kelowna, BC in Canada, and I'm going to talk to you about Epicure USA. So Epicure is a direct sales company. We are all about delicious cooking classes. We come into people's homes and show them how to make delicious, tasty meals in 20 minutes or less using our cookware and spices. It is the best career that I've ever had. I have been doing this now for 21 years, 17 years being a work-at-home parent with my kids. And of course, they're all growing up now because I've been in this business for so long. So I love bringing our healthy food mission to the US. With my Epicure business, I actually have lost 70 pounds, and that's with our Good Food Real Results. And I've got a video on YouTube about that. You can check that out. So July 8th, people can join in the USA. That's our first global expansion from our Canada base. And in early August, sales start and people can really jump in and make a huge business. So this is relatively unheard of in the US. We are the biggest direct sales company in Canada. My organization alone did 6.4 million last year. So this is not small potatoes. This is a big company. And we are so excited about our expansion and our opportunity to bring our healthy meals to the USA and help people improve their health, improve their food, and do it faster. So the first 500 people that sign up in the US in July are going to get extra things added to their kit. And here's the crazy thing, it's only $150 to start your own Epicure business in the USA. Like, that is so fantastic. And you can get out and start making money. So whether you want to earn, approximately $100 an evening doing a cooking class, or whether you want to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, like many of our top leaders do, I'm here to help you do that. Anybody that's joining in my organization will have access to myself and all of my knowledge and training. So if you're not already connected to a consultant, please check this out. I'd be happy to support you. If you're connected to one of the consultants in my team, reach out and say hello, because I would love to be able to help you as well. And I look forward to sharing more. I've got a longer video that I'll link in the comments that tells you more about Epicure and what it's like to be a consultant with us. And I can tell you it is fantastic, because 21 years ago, I was terrified to talk in public. And here I am talking to you on video, and I do lives on Facebook, and I help people eat better, and I am the best job ever. So consider joining our team, and please reach out for any additional information. Thanks, everyone.